Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in. If you've ever built a Notion workspace or crafted the perfect dashboard, you might be wondering, how do I actually share my template with a friend, a coworker, or even the whole world? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to share a Notion template, step by step, and I'll explain what each option does, so you'll know how to choose the best way for your needs. By the end, you'll be able to spread your Notion genius far and wide, whether it's with a single person or an entire online community. All right, let's get started. I'm looking at my Notion template right now. This could be anything like a habit tracker, a project management board, or your weekly planner. At the top right of your Notion page, you'll see a little share button. It looks like a right-pointing arrow. Go ahead and click that. This is your gateway to all the different sharing options Notion gives you. The first way to share is by directly inviting people with their email address. This is super handy if you're collaborating with teammates or want to send to a friend. When the sharing dialog pops up, you'll see an invite bar where you can type in someone's email. Pause a second here. Make sure you're using the email that's connected to their Notion account, or at least one they can use to sign up. Once you've entered their email, click Invite. They'll instantly get access to your template inside their own Notion workspace. Use this method if you want to keep things private or just share with a specific group. Now, let's say you want something more flexible, where people can access your template even if you don't know their emails or you want them to share it onward. That's where the link option comes in. You'll see Copy Link in the same sharing window. But here's the important part. Before you hit Copy Link, check for a setting called Anyone with the Link. This is really the key that opens the template up to anyone, not just those you invite by email. Think of it like giving someone a passcode. They don't need to be inside your inner circle. Once you've enabled anyone on the web with the link, go ahead and copy it. You can then paste it into a chat, an email, or wherever you want. There's often a moment of hesitation. Will they be able to make their own copy? And here's the fix. Look for the toggle that says Allow Duplicate as Template. Turn this on, and now people can duplicate your template into their personal Notion without messing up your original copy. It's like giving someone a recipe card instead of inviting them into your kitchen. For those of you who want to go big, maybe you've built something really awesome and want to share it with the whole community, Notion has a Publish feature. Inside that same share dialog, you'll see Publish. Click it, and Notion will generate a public web page for your template. Again, double-check that Allow Duplicate as Template is switched on, so everyone who visits can grab your template for themselves. Once it's published, you'll get a new link you can share anywhere, on social media, in forums, maybe even embedded on your website. And that's really it. With these few steps, you can easily share Notion templates, whether privately or publicly. The trick is understanding those toggles: privacy, link access, and duplication. And you'll never be stuck wondering how to pass along your template. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, and if you run into any snags or have questions about sharing in Notion, ask away in the comments below. I read every one. For more easy-to-follow Notion tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and happy templating!